So I've been working on the front of this 1960 Cadillac. This is all the buck structure, so I can shape the new pieces to fit it. And I have a guideline to go on. So the other day I did the initial thumbnail shrinking work on the power hammer, and I actually forgot to take a video of it, so I don't have that part. But I'm going to show you how to blend out the shrinks and blend out all the radii and the whole panel on the power hammer and refine it on the air planishing. So that's going to be in this video, and I apologize that I didn't get the shrinking video. But in future episodes, probably where I make the tie-in pieces, I'll be able to get that set up and do those. So follow along as I work on blending everything out. Now that I've got all the rough shaping done on this first piece of the Cadillac under hood panel, I can go over and I can start planishing it on the Milwaukee air planisher. So that's the next step here. So follow me over there and we'll get it planished out. Our finished roughed in piece. It's the center section here for under the hood of the 1960 Cadillac. So we did all our initial shrinking here on the front edge, and I over shrank that way I could blend that back out for a nice smooth finish, especially since it was such a minimal amount of shrink. So on the power hammer with the thumbnail dies, I over shrank that and then blended everything back out, and then just used radial stretch here to kind of put a little bit of shape in the top. So this one's roughed in. And now I can come over and make in the tie-in pieces here on the side, which is going to be next. So if I remember, I'll do a video on those, and thanks for watching.